in the home.html, which is a template for home menu, we are going to define the fixed unchanging contents under the home menu. That is a gameplay board and other configuration or message area. On the very top, we are going to show the program or game progress message, and then whose turn is the next turn, and then 3 by 3 game board. On the bottom of the game board, we are going to have a radio buttons to choose the gameplay strategy, human versus a human or versus a random, and then we will have a new game button there. So let's define unchanging fixed contents of HTML for this menu page layout. Begin with a tic-tac-toe game as a heading message, and then we are going to define an area to show the game progress message. So let's give a div and an ID message, then use bootstrap classes to give us some visual decoration. Text center is to center the messages in this div element, and FS3 is a little bit larger font size, and text primary is blue color, and then BG background color warning is a beige color, a little bit light beige is a subtle is there, and then this is a message area for testing, initial testing purpose. Let's give us a message there. Then it shows up, shift reload, something like this. So that's a progress message area. Below that, we are going to give whose turn is to play. So let's give another div there, turn, literal message, and then let me use image, and then let's give ID of the image as turn so that we can change the image, and then source where the image is. Image is in the images subfolder at the top of the application. So images, and then let me give X image as a initial testing purpose. Then height, let's give a 35 pixels, width 35 pixels as well. And that is a turn image area. Shift reload, and the turn image shows up there. If we want to center that in this div, you can give a bootstrap classes. Text center is to center whatever is inside the div. Then let me give a top margin of 3, which is between these two divs. We want to give some spacing there. Shift reload, the turn is showing up in the center. And then below that, we are going to give a table, 3 by 3 table, to show those cells in the game board. Table is there. We are not going to use a table heading parts. We use a table body part directly there. And the table head class decoration is MX Auto is to display the table in the center of the web browser horizontally, and then let's give a border of the table. Bordered is the one. In the table body, we are going to define 3 rows. First row, we are going to give 3 columns. Each column, we are going to give image element, and then source the image. Let's use images, and then o.png for testing purpose. Then let's set the size of the image, fixed width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels. We are going to give those 3 columns there. Then let's see how this shows up. So we have a first row of the table. Then let me copy the entire row and then place it. So we have 3 rows. For testing purpose here, let's give unplayed image u.png and x.png. Then shift reload. So we have a 3 by 3 table there.